Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader.
Yo, good morning. What's up, everybody? How's it going? We're back. Another day, another dollar here, boys. Another day, another dollar. Let's make some money. Let's do it. What's up, Rye? What's up, Geo? How's it going? Yash. What's up, Yash? Let's go. All right, it looks like the NASDAQ broke out of this range here. It was in a choppy range right here. Broke out to the upside. Can we see some continuation? We got the trend lines drawn here. Breaks out of this pink one here. Could go up here to the highs. I didn't draw anything on gold here, but it made a huge move up, and now it's dumping right back down on gold. We about to catch a winner here. About to catch a winner. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock, and we're about to catch a winner. What's up, Hexa Petty? What's going on? Anybody catch some good trades yesterday? Did you guys catch some good trades yesterday or what? What's up, Beyond Tomorrow? How's it going? The good thing about trading early is you don't have to, you can just watch everybody during the New York session. You can just watch everybody. See if the NASDAQ is going to break out to the upside here and keep on going up to these highs over here, man. Let's see. What's up, Stacking Bananas? How's it going? Guys, did we not call it perfectly yesterday on the stream? I mean, we called it perfectly. Let me switch over here so I don't have all these drawings on it. But look at this, man. We called it perfect yesterday. We called it perfectly right here on this candle. It was down, came back up. I said we could go all the way up and break the highs and then come back down. Look at there. We went up, broke the highs, came back down on this big candle. Look at that. Perfect. And I think I said it like, I don't know. Let's go. We got the chart drawn out here today. We got it drawn out. We got all of our support and resistance levels. We got the trend lines. Let's go, Stacking Bananas. You got all your losses back. Heck yeah, dude. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We're almost there. We're almost at 2,000 subs. Man. We're close. 1,927. We got 1,927. At 2,000, doing a big old giveaway. Big old giveaway. And guess what? Guess what, boys? We're up again. Hang on, let me just go over here to the screenshots, actually. I take screenshots of these things. We're up again over here, boys. Look at this, boy. We're up on the day. These are my Tradeify accounts today. Apex accounts. Apex accounts up big, baby. Apex accounts up big. And then we got the TopOne Futures accounts up on the day. Let's go. TopOne's made 1,000 on each of those. Apex made 490 on those. And the Tradeify accounts, I got one account at a 2-time multiplier, so that one already got a payout. And then these two down here only make half of what this one makes. But that's good. That's another good strategy you can try. If you want to copy trade, put one of your accounts at a 2-time multiplier, so it'll get to pay out quicker. Maybe it'll happen before you have that blow up day or something. So I already got this one to a payout, and then these two, I'm working them up there to get to that payout level. But let's go, baby. We up on the day. Now we're just sitting here waiting on a move here from the NASDAQ. We got in a little consolidation right now. Do you set stop loss? Yeah, dude. I usually set it at a 1-to-1, but I'll move my take profit to 1-to-2 sometimes. If I feel like it can go farther, I'll move my take profit farther away. But usually just going for like a 1-to-1, 1-to-2. Let's go. Let's go, baby. All right, are we going to break down here? Look at gold, dude. Dumping. Gold dumping, dude. This is how I traded gold this morning and called a short. I called a short on gold. I think it was, where was it at? Had to be around here. I think I caught this move right here. Somewhere in here. On this leg down. Called a short. Nice, Hexa. You traded gold? You traded gold? Yeah, I called a short on this somewhere in this leg on my Tradeify and my Apex accounts this morning. And then last night I traded NASDAQ and called it something. I don't know where. I called a short somewhere in the NASDAQ. I think it was like somewhere in here. On this leg somewhere is where I made the short on my TopOne accounts. Yeah, dude, Hexa. You just got to think, dude, like after a move like this, literally almost straight up with no pullbacks, you got to see some kind of pullback at some point. And here it is. This is the pullback. But literally, move like this, just literally straight up, no kind of pullbacks, never good. Never a good sign when you see something like this. It's gonna pull back at some point. And the longer it goes without a pullback, the bigger the pullback's gonna be. See here. We're up from this 15-minute opening range right here. We got the 15-minute opening range. Just broke out of there and kept on going this morning. Yeah, dude, I don't want to be coughing all up in. I'm sick, dude. I don't know what's wrong. It's like I'm not sick. It's just I got this cough. I was sick like 2 weeks ago, and then I got over that like a week later, and I've had this cough ever since, and it won't go away, dude. I don't think medicine works. I've been taking all kind of medicine. Been taking Dayquil, cough medicine. Nothing's working. Nothing will get rid of this cough, man. It's annoying. It's annoying. Can't get rid of this cough, man. Yo, Futch. Thanks for the sub, man. Futch. What a name there. Futch. Guys, we are about to catch a banger today. I can just feel it deep in my bones. We're going to catch a banger. We're gonna catch a banger. What's up, Futch? How's it going, dude? How's it going, Futch? See, should I draw this stuff out on gold here? Let me draw it out, just in case we catch something on gold. We draw out these trend lines on gold, just in case. You trading? All right, Hexa, man. Thanks for stopping by. See ya, bro. See you next week. You're trading 5 Top Step 50K Futch combines. That's right, man. We gotta be patient. We gotta be patient in these markets. Just draw out these support and resistance levels here. What's up, Coach Fred? Futch, this is fantasy music. I typed in fantasy music on YouTube. Appreciate it, Coach Fred. Does the music sound good or is it too loud? Is it a good volume? We got a good volume. Sweet. That's good to hear. See, but whoever was asking, this is how I draw like my pivot points out or whatever. Just basic support and resistance lines here, pretty much. Basic support and resistance lines. All right, but I got gold. Can't draw an upward line yet because it hasn't made a pullback here. We could have drew one out here, and it would have been a great breakout to the downside there. Could have caught that move down, but didn't catch it. So gotta wait here. Yes, sir, Coach Fred. We got the medieval sounds. Uh-oh, we about to break out to the upside here. We're about to break out to the upside and keep on going. We'll see here if we can break out of here to the upside. We got 55 people in here watching it live. We only got 10 likes. Come on, guys, smash that like button so we can get this market moving. You know, I've seen great correlation with you know, how many likes we have on the stream to how good the market moves. What's up, halftime? What's going on? Appreciate it, Nathan. Smash that like button. The man himself, Nathan. Yeah, there is a direct correlation with if you smash the like button if the market starts moving. See, look, I told you we're getting that smash in. We're starting to move it. Starting to move it up here. It's like leveling up the market here. Market's leveling up. Oh, yeah. Now, what I tell you. You smash that like button, the market just gets giddy, buddy. It gets giddy and starts moving. Starts grinding. It starts going. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Little pullback here. I'm going to get in. Little pullback here. I'm going to get in. Market don't want to pull it back. Stacking bananas grabbed along at 450, man. What a grab there. Great entry. Stacking bananas is in here down low, buddy. Stacking bananas is in here low. All right, I'm in there, boys. Better watch out. Nah, man, Brett didn't hit me up, man. Brett needs to come on with it. Brett needs to come on. Let's go, man. We got 61 people in the stream. We got 25 likes. We're in along here. We're in along. We're in along. Break out of the trend line, breaking above that zone there, man. See if we can get a push. See if we can get a push up here. We need a little pushy push. We need a push it up. We're in along. Don't worry. Can we get that push? Can we get that push to the upside here? Broke out of that trend line. Can we push it now? Can we push, baby? Push it up there. Yeah, volume isn't great here. We need a good push. We get up here. I'm gonna go to break even. We hit that gray line right there. I'm gonna go to break even. If we hit that gray line up there, I'm gonna go to break even. Loves 80 rejections. Yeah, it's up there. Let's see, man. Can we come hit my line right here so I can get it on the break even? Thought you were hearing PW? What? What'd I say? What'd I say that sounded like PW? Come on, NASDAQ. push it up. Let's get some volume here. Let's get a big old boner candle, man. Big old BBC. Come on. We're in 2 accounts right here. 1 contract. Can we get that push up? Can we get that? Yeah, I might have to hate on the chat. I ain't gonna do that though. Don't worry. Yeah, I don't think I sound like PW. Can we get it up there? Gosh. Get us that push. Get us that push. Little pushy. Just a little pushy. There it is. Going to break even here, boys. We hit that mark. Put it right under that candle right there. Well, I tried. All right, it's a little in profit here. Whoa, bud! Woo! Woo! Look at that! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah, I took it off. I took it off, boys. Woo! Boom, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. What a push, baby. Look at that. And people say trend lines don't work. People say trend lines don't work. Broke out of there and ran it, baby. Appreciate it, Nathan. Look at that push, baby. Woo! Man, I'm feeling good, baby. There it was. 60 tick winner right there. 60 ticks in my pocket. 60 ticks in the pocket right there. Counts up 300 bucks. 2 $300 winners right there. 2 $300 winners, and these Bull Knox accounts are running it up, baby. Let's go. Let's go, Futch. Traded it with me. Let's go. 2 contracts for 530 bucks. Nice one, brother. Come on, if that doesn't deserve a like, then I don't know what does. Nathan, I've never gotten a payout with Bull Knox. I do like them, but hopefully this can be my first time. I haven't traded with them too much, but trying to get to a payout with them. I do like Bull Knox, but I haven't gotten a payout yet. If I get these up, these will be my first payout with Bull Knox. But all the accounts are up here, boys. Let me take a screenshot. Let me take a screenshot to put it on the Twitter later. Might have to put it on the Twitter, let them know I got too much green in my accounts again today. We got too much green in there, man. Too much green in the accounts. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's go stacking bananas. Eric just passed a 150K account. Let's go, man. Nathan, you got 8 payouts this year with MyFunded Futures? Yeah, dude, a lot of people say that MyFunded Futures is cheap, but you gotta pass the evals still. So if you don't, I don't have a good pass rate on evals, so I don't really like MyFunded Futures. But I'm sure once you get to the front of the account, they're good. See, I just like the cheapest evals because I really just gamble the evals. I hate the evals. $70 more subs left to 2K. Let's go, after we're getting there. We're getting there, boys. We got 1,932 subs. When we get to 2,000, big old giveaway. My favorite macro during London, man. I don't know. I don't really trade macros and stuff like that, but I'll tell you my strategy for London session. I like the 15-minute orb at London session. So when it breaks out, I like to take a retest of the orb. So sometimes I'll play that. If it taps it right here, I would have went long. Would have called some moves there. And then I also like to play a reversal. So I'll look for some kind of entry on a reversal back down. So this might be that reversal. Might be getting that reversal back down here now. This might be the reversal to go back down. It's looking like it here. Let's see if it can reject off of this. If it starts to break below this upward trend line here, it's gonna come on back down a little bit. Stacking bananas is short at 480, set to break even. Let's go, man. Let's go, guys. Smash that like button. We got 84 people in here, 40 likes. Gold is stagnant right now. You know, it's like that water with the flies in it. It's stagnant, not moving. Gold being stagnant right here in a little chop zone after this big down move. And then the NASDAQ may be coming down here now. We will see. We will see here. We got 41 likes. Let's go. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Trying to get Brett to give us some accounts. We got to get Brett to give us some accounts here so we can have a huge giveaway. We're going to have a huge giveaway. I'll message him. Yeah, Brett Simba. I'll shoot him a message on Twitter today. See if he'll throw in some more accounts. I'll shoot him a message, see if he wants to throw us some more accounts. And we'll do a big old giveaway, hopefully on Monday. Hopefully we get to 2,000 on Monday. Even if we get to 2,000 today, I'm not going to do the giveaway today. I'm going to do it on Monday. I want to get prepared. I want to make this a huge party giveaway. Yeah, stacking bananas. I like TopOne, but I'm not like promoting them because they haven't been around long enough, you know. I do like TopOne, but they're still kind of risky. They haven't been around long enough, and they're pretty easy to get to a payout, so I want to see if they can stick around, you know. I want to see if they'll be able to stick around. All right, looks like this here. Maybe. Looks like we may be getting a reversal here now. You see, a lot of the times when you see one of these sharp moves up like this, it's kind of a fake out to just dump it right back down. Exactly, Futch. Oh yeah, stacking bananas. What was Clay saying? What was he saying? Start to break under this trend line here, we could come down. Start to break under this trend line, come down to the bottom of this range at least here. What's up, Krish? What's going on, Krish? Already call it banger. People coming in late now missed it. We called 60 ticks right here, live on the stream. It was a party. We already partied. We called a banger. We called the banger. Let me see if I can take a screenshot of this. Alrighty, we got it. We got the picture secured. Picture secured. What's up, yeah, Stacking, man? That's sounds sweet. Hopefully they can stay around. I do like them. Dana Lee. Hi, I'm new here. Do you normally come on every day around this time? Yep, starting to come on for pre-market here. Coming on for pre-market now, 7 a.m. to around 8 or 9 every day. What job are you working at, by the way? I make jewelry. I make jewelry, all kinds of jewelry. I made Patrick a BDH pendant, gave it to him live on his stream. So let's go. We caught this banger here. Now let's see if it's gonna break out to the downside. Look at gold here. A little fake move up to dump, keep on dumping probably. Ed of the Woods is short from 70.5. Let's see here, bro. Let's see if it'll dump for you. Probably a good entry you got there. I'm waiting on some confirmation here. Yeah, dude. I'll be streaming live during the New York session, making some jewelry. Catching banger trades. Making some jewelry, catching some banger trades. We caught this long right here, buddy. We got in and out of there at the perfect spot. Glad I cut that short there, or it wouldn't have hit the full TP. Seeing whoever was asking why I cut them short sometimes yesterday, this is why. You know how mad I would have been if I saw $300 and it went all the way back to hit my stop. Would have been so mad. You make. Nathan says, you make more making jewelry or trading? It just depends, man. Because in jewelry, I gotta, I make the same no matter what. So that's nice. I know what I'm gonna make. In trading, you never know kind of what you're gonna make. There's no steady income. Some months I may lose. Some months I may be up big, No steady. So it's definitely good to have a job so you can have that steady stream of income coming in. Jewel banger. That's right, Fudge. That's kind of what I do, and it seems to be working, so I'm not going to change anything. A stack of bananas at 80 levels, really a good place, huh? It turns around at that 80 level. That's right, Nathan. Fudge. Ed of the Woods said, inside on the 5. You're out. An inside bar? Little inside bar? Let's see. It's going to keep on going up now. It's going to go back up now. See here, man. See if we'll catch another trade. Should I go for one more on these Bull Knox accounts, or should I call it? I'm up 300 on them, dude. It's a pretty good amount. 300's a good amount. I think it's about to come back down here. We got a little fair value gap on the 5-minute here. Little fair value gap right there, just tapped into, rejecting. Rejecting that fair value gap on the 5-minute. Dump down now. Beyond, I'm out of the counts of trade. I'm up too big. I'm up too big, man. Look at this. We're up too big today. Up too big. These are the Tradeify accounts. Up big. We got the Apex accounts up big. TopOne accounts up big. And the Bull Knox accounts. We're up big, baby. What else do I do? I don't know. I'm up too much money. I'm up too much money. Okay, it's time for this bad boy to come down. It's time for this bad boy to come on down. How much is that total for the week, all props combined? Well, I don't really know. Good bit. I made a good bit this week. I usually make more, but I had a bad day at the BDH, so I didn't do good at the BDH, so. But we made it all back now. We made it back and more now. And then hopefully our Apex accounts won't get denied again. Hopefully this Apex account gets approved this time. I mean, I don't know what they want me to do here. I mean, I'm just making, they're really putting themselves in a bind here. They're putting themselves in a bind because they're going to be in trouble. I'm going to be sitting, my 50K account's going to be sitting at 500,000 and I'm not going to have one payout and they're going to have to pay me out sometime. So it said MAE, whatever that is. I got denied for MAE. Halftime, it just depends. Sometimes I trade them together. Like this morning, I traded Apex and Tradeify together. I just had Tradeify on the other monitor, and I clicked the buttons at the same time. I usually trade Apex and Bull Knox together, but I didn't re-up my Quantower subscription. So, they're not copy trading together right now. I like Apex. You just got to follow the rules to a T, man. You got to follow those rules to a T to get paid. Got to follow those rules to a T. We're up big, baby. Uh-oh. Coming back up. Eddie says, do you trade ICT? I mean, some of the concepts or whatever. I like the fair value gaps. But that's pretty much it. I don't know all of the ICT concepts and lingo and stuff, but I trade something. I really just use basic concepts. I use B2B concepts. You ever heard of it? B2B concepts. Back to basics. Back to basics. I use trend lines and support and resistance lines. And they work fantastic here. They work beautifully. Let's go, Apex Nader Trader. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, come on. We're always here. We're always here catching these bangers, dude. Caught this banger right here. 60 ticks in our pocket. 60 ticks in our pocket right there. $60 ticks in our pocket. That's right, stack of bananas. Keep it super simple. Kiss. You gotta kiss it. You gotta kiss the market. Keep it super simple. And back to the basics. B2B concepts, man. They work. See, look at this. We got our support and resistance lines here. We got our downward trend line. Gold's coming down. We got the downward trend lines here. Oh, Eddie, that stinks, but at least you got a payout, man. You gotta look at the bright side. At least you got that payout. That's what matters. Yo, we got 99 people in here. Let's go. It's Kohler. What's up, man? What's up, Kohler? How you been, bro? Rough year. Keep blowing accounts. You gotta get a few accounts and cycle them, man. One account at a time. Trade them one account at a time. Even try different strategies on those three. If you buy 3 accounts, trade them separately and use 3 different strategies. If you have to, you know. I've blown many accounts this year. I've blown many accounts, but as long as the payouts outweigh the blow-ups, you're good, you know. It's what matters. All these people hate on blow up accounts, but these aren't live accounts here, guys. You got to play the prop firm game. And if you're making more than you're buying the accounts for, you're winning. It doesn't matter how many accounts you blow, as long as you make more money than you're spending. That's what matters. That's what these people on Twitter don't understand. I know people on Twitter who have had accounts for 9 months with no payout. And they, you know, they're not winning. That's not winning. That's not winning. I mean, maybe if you don't want to spend any money, that may be winning. But I'm not here not to spend any money. I'm here to make money. So I don't care if I blow accounts as long as I'm making more. Fifth day avator. No, you're not. You're only accountable for what you pay for the accounts. Accounts average around $200 an account. And the average payout is like $2,000. So you can blow up 10 accounts. You can blow up 10 accounts, guys. And all you need is one payout to be break even. What's up? How do you? How's it going? Let's go, guys. Smash that like button here. We got to get this market moving again. You saw what happened last time you smashed the like button. It moved, baby. It moved. Got to get some more likes on here for this thing to start moving again. Fudge, that's not true. Fudge, that's not true, and you know it. $49 for the eval. Then it's another $149 for to activate it. So $200 pretty much. Pretty much $200. Same here, Futch. That's why I don't really like Top Step. I like these one step pass evals, because then all you gotta do is focus on one great trade and you passed. One really good trade all in, you passed. Let's see here, man. What's gonna happen here? Let's see. Code Fred said straight to funded. I mean, I like my funded futures. They're just kind of expensive for me, so I don't really use them. Yes, sir. Bull Knox, 91% off. $15 for the eval. Oh yeah, on evals I'm pretty much maxed. I go max contracts. 60 ticks on Apex. 10 contracts, 60 ticks. We would have passed here on Apex. If we took this trade on Apex, it would have been a passed eval, because that was 60 ticks. Would have been max contracts. This right here, this is all you need to pass an Apex eval. 60 ticks, 10 contracts. Yo, B. Ryan. Thanks for the sub, man. You the man. Let's go. Let's go. Sitting here waiting. Oh, I told you guys. I told you gold was about to dump it. Fake move up to dump it down. There it is. Gold dumping here. It's going to retrace this whole move, man. It's going to come back down this whole move here. It's scary when you see a move like this with no pullbacks. It's always scary when you see a move like this with no pullbacks. Look at this. It's taking the whole dang thing back. It's taking the whole dang thing back. Yeah, Bull Knox does have an activation fee. I think it's like $150. Yeah, man. No problem. I took a screenshot of it. Let me go find this screenshot. of why I took the trade. Here it is. So I had a trend line drawn right here, a downward trend line. We broke above that and above this resistance level. So then I got in long at a retest right there, and bang, went up. That's it. You got to keep it simple, man. We broke out of the downward trend line and out of this resistance level. Broke above it. I got in long at the retest, and then boom, banger. That's pretty much it. And then once it reversed up here, I moved the trend line. See, I started the trend line up here. It came down, but since it reversed up there, I moved the point of the trend line up there. So, move that point of the trend line. You know, and I think if we get an inversion right here, it'd be a good place to go short. If we get this inversion right here, might be looking at a good short. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, Futch, use code PW. Use code PW on Bull Knox. We got 119 people in here. Let's go, man. I think this thing can come down. If we get a little inversion right here, see, an inversion is a little ICT concept type of deal here. See, an inversion, let me show you. So you see how there's a gap right here between this wick and this wick. They're not touching. You see, on most of these, the wicks touch or they overlap. Here, there's no touch. They don't touch. So then you draw your box from this wick up here to this wick down here. And boom, we got the inversion. The candle closed below there here, so then you think it will probably come down. Probably come down here. This right here would be the first target right there if you're in short. But it might not work, so it's going up. I hope you didn't take it. Don't take that. It's not working. That's why I said on PW stream, the inversions haven't been working lately, man. That's why I don't trade them. They haven't been working lately. I'm waiting on a breakout of this downward trend line here. I've been using trend lines in support and resistance lately. Keeping it back very simple. Simple strategies work the best. If you can simplify your strategy, then you can focus on what you need to focus on. Let's see here, man. Let's see here. Could just keep on driving all the way up to these highs here. We might just be looking for the wrong thing here. Could just be driving it up. We got this move up, little pullback, and now it may just want to drive it on up. We are in an uptrend here. We're in an uptrend. In this uptrend here, I don't know. Yeah, dude, I like the trend lines. For some reason, I always come back to the trend lines. They just work. Market's always trending or consolidating. So when the market's moving, it's going to be trending. So there's always going to be those trend lines. Let's see here. Is it going to break out and go up to those highs here? Exactly here. This one failed. But it's probably because we're in an uptrend, you know. It's right, Eric. We are in an uptrend. Let's go, Jessica. Give him a good War Eagle. Hey. War Eagle. Hey. I'm just kidding. We suck. Yes, sir, Beyond. I like them. I like them a lot. I like these new hours here because you got some content to watch before all the other big streamers come on, you know. We got the pre-market party going on. We're just partying, getting in tune with the market before it opens, you know. Let's go, Mac Daddy. Mac Daddy 84 with a good War Eagle. Heck yeah. Look at that. Bounced right off of that trend line there. Boom, coming down. Bounced right off of that trend line, and it's coming down now. Yeah, I like these hours a lot too, man. Not gonna lie. I don't know why I wasn't doing this before. I'm up. I got energy because I got some sleep, and we're ready. We're ready to party. Coach Fred, I'm on Eastern time. I'm on Eastern time. I do live in Alabama, but we're on Eastern time because we are so close to the Georgia border that our whole town runs on Eastern time. Our whole town runs on Eastern time. Really crazy. We're supposed to be on Central time, but our whole town runs on Eastern time. Let's go. We got 63 likes in here. When we get it up to, we're so close to 2,000 subs. When we get up to 2,000 subs, big old giveaway time. We're at 1,950 subs. We need 50 more for big old giveaway. It's going to be happening Monday. If we get enough subs over the weekend, big old giveaway on Monday, and it would be fantastic because I'm off on Mondays. So we can hang around, party, big old giveaways, and it's going to be a good time. We're going to have a good time on Monday, boys. Everybody's going to be getting paid. We're going to be having giveaway accounts, and it's going to be fun. Fun time. We're going to be making money, getting paid, giving away accounts. Coach Fred's in Canada. Alabama's exotic. Oh, yeah. Yo, thanks for the sub, TT Beezy. Let's go. Coach Fred said Alabama's exotic. Oh, yeah, we in the swamplands down here, Coach Fred. Better watch out. Swamplands. We're in the swampland down here. Yo, Rafi, what's up from Tennessee? What part of Tennessee are you from? I lived there for some months. I lived there for about 6 months in Tennessee. I was near Franklin. I live near Franklin. Yo, Biblical, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. We're getting there, boys. We're getting there. Woo! Sub count going up, getting close to them 2,000 subs. We need this market to move here. You live near Falls Creek Falls. Where's that at? Don't know where that's at. Marshall County, Chapel Hill area. Nice. Apex Nader Trader. I'm going to be here 7 a.m. Eastern time every day. 7 a.m. Eastern time. So we've been on for an hour now. Oh, nice, Mac Daddy. Yeah, I work in Columbus, Georgia. That's where I work at. Jessica Lee, born and raised in Tennessee. Nice. Ooh, TT Beezy. Just passed through Alabama last week going to Florida? Heck yeah. What part of Florida did you go to? You must have been going to like Panama City or Destin. Howie is an hour north of Chattanooga. Oh yeah, I know where that's at. Nice. What's up, John Lowe? Joining in from Minnesota. All the way from Minnesota. Yeah, Eric, I like these hours here. I don't like this chop right here, though. No trades to be taken in this little chop. Let's look at gold here. Look at that. Right down there to our support level. Yo, Deshaun Dyson. Thanks for the sub, man. Thanks for the sub. Destin. Oh, yeah. Destin's nice, dude. What's up, Sergio? I seen you been killing it, man. You had that one blow up. You had that one blow up day, but it looks like you kept the account, huh? It's still up big. I see you got like a $75,000 balance on that thing, or 50,000 or something crazy. Oh, sorry, Jessica. Jessica Lay. Jessica Lay. Sorry. I'll remember that now. Oh yeah, Eric. I used to catch them, dude. We used to wake up and catch all these moves at 3 a.m. We would be catching these moves here. Break out of the orb, we getting in long, baby. Ha. Break out of the orb, we getting in long. 15-minute orb. That's that 15-minute London session orb. Little breakout action, getting in long. I don't know. I got these little moving averages here. I don't know how I feel about them, so I don't really keep them on there. But I got them just in case I need them. They're in the back pocket. Camille, what's up? What's up, man? I'm doing good. Mac Daddy says, how long you been trading? I started in 2018 with Forex, trading the live accounts, blowing them up left and right. And then I took a little break, started futures prop firms a little over a year ago, and been profitable ever since. Ed of the Woods says, Slade, what's your experience with Take Profit Trader? I like them, man. I really do. You can't beat those daily payouts. The hard part is getting the account over the buffer, but once you do that, those daily payouts are something special, man. I had some accounts, and it was, oh, I loved it, dude. I even built it up so much too. They moved me over to a live account. I was in the Pro Plus account. I ended up blowing it though, but when I had them, I had 2 accounts at the same time. They were nice. If you're getting 5 accounts with $200 base hits a day, you're withdrawing $1,000 a day. What's up, Hossein? I hope I'm saying that right. Hossein Harami. What's going on? Jessica Lay. I don't think I'm going to blow up. I don't think I'm going to blow up. Well, what's up? We can all hang out in here for sure. Yeah, same. TTV. I was using those unregulated brokers. KOT Forex was the one I was on. KOT Forex. Appreciate it, Derek. We're just sitting here waiting on the market to move here. Nothing really to trade right now. We missed this gold move, but we called it out. We said this is going to be kind of a fake move up to dump it back down, and there it went. We missed it, though, but we caught this long here for 60 ticks. Eddie from California. Hossein, I said it right? Let's go. Borge is from Dubai. Oh, yeah. We got him bored. How you like Dubai, man? Sergio, dude, I'm impressed you didn't kill that account either, dude. When I go on till days like that, I either trade them till they're gone or till I make the money back. So that's impressive. That's impressive. You pulled the plug that day. Ike using KOT Forex. Nice, dude. Nathan Lopez is from France. Yeah, TTBZ, that's the Ike. That's the Ike in here. He peed in the Blue Lagoon, dude. Ike peed in the Blue Lagoon. It ain't blue no more. It's the Green Lagoon. Don't go swimming in there. Uh-oh. Green. He's a greenish blue. The greenish blue lagoon. It's the teal lagoon now. Uh-oh. American Psycho movie? No way. American Psycho? I ain't no psycho. Might be a little crazy, but I ain't no psycho. I might be a little crazy, but I ain't no psycho, man. Is the NASDAQ gonna run up to these highs here, man? It looks good here, but I just don't like the way it's making this perfect trend here. Could easily just dump down real fast. I look like the actor. I have to look it up, man. I don't know what he looks like. Looks like the NASDAQ might be trying to go up here to these highs, man. I don't know. I was looking for the shorts. I really don't need to trade anymore, though. Already called our trade here. Already called our trade here. Let's go, man. Actually, I didn't take a shower before the stream here, so I'm about to have to get off and get ready for work. Yesterday, I took a shower before the stream so I could stream it all the way up till I had to leave. But I didn't wake up in time today. Gonna have to get off here in a few minutes. But yeah, if you were on here earlier, we caught this banger here. We caught this banger. Chris Bale. Which Chris Bale? Have you seen that meme? Which Chris Bale do I look like? There's like 4 different versions of Chris Bale. There's anorexic Chris Bale. There's fat Chris Bale. Good looking Chris Bale. Camille, it's going good, dude. We're up big today. We're up big. Good Friday. It's a fresh cash Friday for sure. Don Dawson from Dazed and Confused. I have to look it up. Don't know who that is. Oh, I'm the Batman one. Oh, yeah. Just call me Batman from now on. Dana Lee, I usually, on the 50Ks, it depends on the volume also, but 1 to 2 contracts, usually try to stick with 1 contract on the 50K accounts. 150Ks, I'm trading 2 to 3 contracts on the 150Ks. Going for base hits, 40 to 80 ticks, usually. Off the ground said my ex-chick loved him. Gareth Bale. Who is Gareth Bale? We're coming up here on the NASDAQ. We're going to go break those highs up here, man. Are we going to break the highs up there? Or what? Or what? All right, guys. I got to go. Wish I could stay, but gotta go make some jewelry now. Gotta go make all these little girls happy. They're getting married and stuff, so gotta go make these rings. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. It was a great time this morning. I'll be back on Monday. Hopefully we get to 2,000 subs and we can do some big old giveaways. Be here on Monday. Hopefully we'll be doing some big old giveaways. Be here at 7 a.m. Eastern time on Monday. Thanks for hanging out. I'll be in the streams today, hanging around, chatting it up. So hope you guys have a good day. I'll see ya. Peace.
Tradeify slayed on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest,